right, so if you'll sit in a comfortable seated position, you can always sit in a chair. Make sure you're really comfortable so that you can dive in deeper without fiddling or stressing or being uncomfortable. So let your hands rest on your legs or your lap and pull your elbows close in and let your shoulders drop. So we want to soften our armpits. And take a big swelling breath. In and out. And then another big swelling breath, but a little slower. In and out. And then another full swelling breath, but a little slower. And continue breathing slower and fuller. But let there be a sense of ease in the body, that we're starting to soften into that breath, even though the breath is getting fuller. But we're not stressing out to take a fuller breath. We're softening up to take a fuller breath. Low ribs expand gently when you breathe in. Low ribs fall when you breathe out. Soften your hands and your feet. Relax your face, your jaw. Bless this sacred body. And all that it does for you. All that it holds for you. All that it lets go for you. This body is a sacred vessel. It is a gift. It is here to offer you a way for your spirit to be expressed in this world. It volunteered to be this for you. You agreed to be in partnership with this body for this lifetime. oh, how mighty this body is. Oh, how strong. From the very beginning, this body shows up continuously without a break. All the things that it is still doing when you aren't focused upon it. It still beats your heart and moves your blood and breathes. It digests. It holds your pain, the wounds of your heart. All these things it does for you when you are not focused upon it. And maybe it served you all your life, whether you were present with it or not, whether you were thankful for what it does for you or not. It may have served you all this while without thanks. But consider the idea of when you meet your body, the same commitment that it has given you. Oh, what a communion, what a reunion. Your kind attention to your body is such a blessing. Just like a dog with positive reinforcement, the body responds in kind too to positive reinforcement, to kindness, to love, to appreciation, letting it feel important and valued. The body lightens with kindness. The body is so honest. It never lies. It is managing our whole life for us, whether we are or not, whether we are being honest or not about our own processes of life. It is the valiant one. It is the expert at being human. It is strong without a doubt. So rise up to meet your body in its valiancy. Blessing it, committing to your presence with it and your process with it. And let there be love. Let there be so much love when it hurts, Let there be love. When it needs rest, let there be love. When it's so tired, let there be love. When there's strong emotions, let there be love. Let this love be acceptance and appreciation and so much gratitude. So hold your body in light, hold your body in love, hold your body in the warmest embrace. You can literally touch your body with your hands to hold it. You can do that in your mind, in your heart. Hold your body and just thank it for all of its service. Acknowledge its strength. So much gratitude for its gift to you to allow you this life. Hold this body, this sacred Merkaba. I love you. I bless you, my sacred body. Thank you. Thank you for healing. I'm so grateful for all of your gifts and talents. I thank you for healing. I thank you for your commitment. I thank you for the blessing of you. I want to hear you. I want to see you in your true light. I want to celebrate you and to love you with the fullest love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for the restoration of our relationship. May it continue. Namaste.